Assalamu alaikum, greetings my beautiful family. We have this recipe which is easy and simple. I always bring you simple recipes. Please stay tuned and watch this video until the end. Our recipes are African recipes. They are not complicated, no much spices. We just use our normal spices at home. So for the new viewers, you are highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting your girl so that the channel grows. The channel is all about cooking. We do cooking videos, simple recipes. Let's enjoy our day with cabbage mixed with beef. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our meal. It's just dinner. Let's enjoy our dinner. Cabbage mixed with beef. We are going to chop. It's just chopping the big chunks. We are not going to make small ones, just big for our beef stew. Cooking your cabbage, we have many ways of preparing cabbages, so let's use this method today. We are going to chop it in big chunks, not small ones. So those are carrots, big one, big size. Here are a few ingredients: onion, tomato, green pepper, So this is our cabbage stew with meat. Let's cook our stew. Cabbage mixed with beef, our leftover beef. So this is our cabbage and beef stew. As you can see, it's cooking well. We are going to serve it with the rice or cassava ugali, cassava tapioca. Yes, thank you for watching. For the new viewers, this is how we are going to enjoy our day. We have beef and cabbage stew. Please stay tuned and watch this video until the end. Let's enjoy our day with this recipe, please. See you in the next video. Bye bye.